In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an API key in Hubspot. This is a crucial step for integrating third-party services or building custom applications on your Hubspot platform. First and foremost, you need to ensure you're logged into your Hubspot account. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the trial guide. This section is your go-to resource hub for getting started with your form building processes and more. From your homepage, head over to the settings by clicking on the settings option. Here, you'll find everything you need to configure and optimize your Hubspot experience. Once in the settings, you'll be looking for the integrations section. This section is essential as it houses all your connections to other applications and services. Under integrations, click on Legacy Apps. This is where you can manage older app integrations. Now, let's move on to creating an app. Click on Create App, which is your next step. Hubspot will prompt you to generate a private application. You'll see an option to label your app. Here, you'll generate a random name. This name helps you identify the app later on, so it can be anything descriptive that you'll remember. After naming your app, you have the option to upload a logo that represents your application. This step isn't just for aesthetics. It can help you quickly identify the app later on when managing multiple applications. Following this, you'll be asked to provide a short description of your app. This description should succinctly explain the app's purpose or functionality to anyone else who might access it later. Now that your app has a name and description, it's time to define its permissions. Click on the Scopes section, which is crucial for determining what data and functions your app can access. Next, click Add New Scope. You'll be presented with a variety of access options, so select the ones that align with your app's intended functionality. Remember, it's always good practice to limit the scope as much as possible to enhance security. Once you've defined the necessary scopes, click Update to save your changes. Then, you'll want to set up webhooks by clicking on the Webhooks tab. Enter the target URL where you want your app to send data. This step connects your app to the endpoint that will process the incoming information. With everything in place, now click Create App. This will finalize the creation process and you'll see an option to continue creating. Lastly, to get the coveted API key, click on the Auth tab. Here, your API key will be displayed, ready to be copied and used to integrate your new Hubspot app with other services or applications. And there you have it, a fully functional API key setup within Hubspot, ready for your next integration project. Thanks for watching and happy coding.